Back, huh? Or maybe not.
I have no idea.
Because I probably won't get back here till like 4:30. Alright, what do you guys think of Obama?
Obama? He never changed anything.
He never gave us no change.
He never gave change, but
He's not as bad as Romney.
I think he's kind of cool. He uses cell phones. That's cool.
Romney's a total douchebag. And Ron Paul.
Ron Paul. I have a Ron Paul t-shirt.
He's cooler than the rest of them, but he does have some crazy ideas too.
Yeah, no, I totally have a Ron Paul t-shirt. Awesome.
Hockey's good.
Here you go. Large chocolate shake.
Thanks, man.
Here's a receipt and some. Yeah, I think they gave you a quarter of a nickel or something.
Alright, cool. And Blade's on. Blade 2. Alright. Everyone holler, fuck the police.
Fuck the
Love the
police.
police. Go with a little more force. Maybe now we can pick up more on the cross.
Abby, let me get you. She's sleeping, god damn it. You might have got her last night though. Fuck the system.